Increditales.
I know, Little Mermaid. It's so hot today. Oh, come on. A freshwater vending machine. You're so lucky, Coral. Come on, machine. Coral is so thirsty. Oh no, the machine swallowed the money. That won't work, Coral. No, Coral, don't do that. You're going to get stuck. Uh-oh. Whoa! Are you okay, Coral? Of course. The machine didn't work because it wasn't plugged in. Let's get that cold water now. Huh? Don't tell me you ran out of money, Coral. You have to find a coin. Nothing like a good run. Right, Cinderella? Good idea. It's important to drink water after exercising. Wow! How many have you had already? Another one, Cinderella. You shouldn't drink so much. Hooray! Quick, let's go to the machine. Oh. Huh? Oh no! It's empty! But how? You shouldn't have drunk them all, Cinderella. Now Coral can't drink anything and she's so thirsty. It's the last bottle. Were you saving it for later, Cinderella? Wow! Thanks, Cinderella.